We are extremely privileged to have in our midst today our esteemed guest for today's investiture ceremony, Sri Yogesh Bahadur Khurania, IPS Commissioner of Police, Bhubaneswar and Cuttack. Having served in the capacity of SP in the districts of Nayagarh, Jajpur, Ganjam, Mayurbhanj and Rourkela, he went on to become the DIG of Barampur, Bhubaneswar and Sambalpur. On elevation to the rank of IGP, he was posted in Sambalpur and Bhubaneswar. He also worked as the director Biju Patnaik State Police Academy cum IG of Police Training, Bhubaneswar. Adding to his responsibilities, Sri Yogesh Bahadur Khurania was a proud recipient of notable commendations and awards. He won the Governor's Medal and President's Police Medal for his meritorious and distinguished service. He also received commendation from Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India for his efforts in dealing with anti-human trafficking issues and many more. Sir, we are indeed honored to have your august presence today. Now, I would like to take this opportunity to request our esteemed chief guest, Sri Yogesh Bahadur Khurania, sir, to address our students.
Chairman Dr. Bijay Kumar Sahu, Trustee Mrs. Shilpi Sahu, Principal Shri Harish Chanduja, Vice Principal, members of faculty, and my dear students, a very good morning to all of you. I am grateful to the chairman for having given me this opportunity of being with you on this investiture ceremony. It takes me back almost 40 years, to be precise to 12th of July 1976, when my father escorted me to my residential school, Motilal Nehru School of Sports Rai, a school near Delhi, where I spent 6 years from class 6 to 12th. School is a place where we learn, acquire skills. It gives an opportunity to learn about oneself, about one's strength, weaknesses. It gives us an opportunity to build further on our strength and to make good our weakness. This is a place where you make lifelong friendship. As you pass out from school, go to college, university, and thereafter find suitable employment for yourself, engagement for yourself, you will find whenever you are under stress, your mind will go back to your school days. Think of days spent at school. Think of all that we did while we were in school, of the friendship that we had made, the way we had spent time, and you will feel fresh. And you will resume what our task is at hand. So my advice to all of you is, make full use of all the opportunities that arise while you are in school. Make full use of all the facilities that are available in your school, whether it is music or dance classes, painting, various hobbies. Make full use of them. School is the only place where you can raise your hand in the class, express your doubts, fully knowing that your teacher will respond to your queries and you will get a reply. This opportunity will never be available once you pass out from this school. This is the only place in life where you can make queries, clear your doubts, fully knowing that you will get a response. This may not be so once you are out from the school. Some of you are getting inducted into the student council today. My congratulations to them. A great responsibility is going to be cast upon them. From today onward, you will be the torch bearer of this school. You will be the ambassador of this school. Anyone who interacts with you, who talks with you, he will draw a picture of what Sai International stands for. Through interaction with you, through conversation with you. So as I said, from today onwards, you will be the ambassador of your school. So you have to put your best foot forward in all things that you do, whether within the school or outside the school. You will also be a torch bearer for other students and for your juniors, because they will always be looking forward to you for guidance, for advice, and they will try to emulate you anything that they do in the school. So my advice to all the students who are getting inducted into the student council: show initiative, be responsible, be truthful, be prompt, because from today you are representing not only yourself but also your school, and school has cast this responsibility on you. So my best wishes and congratulations to all the students who are getting inducted into the student council. I wish all the best to all the students, and once again I'll request that make full use of all the opportunities that come across your way while you are in the school. Thank you.